Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change font Google Docs. Open your Google Docs document to see the default font. Now select the text, and from the font menu, you can choose one of the options available there. You can see the immediate change in your font. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.